Hello and welcome to iLearn English. My name is Wassim, and in this channel, I'm dedicated to helping you master the English language. Today, we are going to explore the magic of phrasal verbs, part 2. We will use real-life examples from movies to make learning these 10 essential verbs a cinematic experience. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, you'll be speaking like a native in no time. So buckle up, take out your notepads, and join me on this journey to become a pro in English.
Break off all ties when our economy is already on its knees?
Break off the attack. The shield is still up.
Fighters, break off!
You were young, and it was entirely prudent to break off the understanding.
Break off. To separate suddenly and abruptly. For example, the branch broke off from the tree during the storm. The verb break is combined with the adverb off to create the phrasal verb break off. This means that something separates from another object, usually in a sudden or unexpected way.
Crew can fall apart when their commander is killed.
I can't begin to imagine how hard this must be for you. But we can't afford to fall apart.
Right then, you knew it was all gonna fall apart.
You followed your instincts, you made the right call, and you didn't fall apart until it felt safe. Am I?
You like to think the weight of the world rests on your shoulder, like this place would fall apart if Dante wasn't here.
Fall apart. To fall into pieces or stop functioning. For example, the old chair finally fell apart after many years of use. The verb fall is combined with the adverb apart to create the phrasal verb fall apart. This means that something falls into pieces or stop working, usually because it's old, worn out, or damaged.
It isn't easy for fathers to give away daughters. It's a
You make up no rules about what we're going to give away.
They were protesting against the Republican government because it has agreed to give away Chinese territory to Japan.
What I get, I give away.
You don't want to give away all your books.
Give away. To give something to someone for free or as a gift. For example, my grandmother gave away her favorite vase to her friend. The verb give is combined with the adverb away to create the phrasal verb give away. This means that you are giving something to someone without expecting anything in return.
Watch out for him. Yeah. You go ahead. Watch out for your boyfriend.
You have to watch out. Some of the jokes are traps.
You might want to watch out that front window, Larry.
You watch out now overseas.
Watch out. To be careful or cautious about something. For example, watch out for the traffic when crossing the road. The verb watch is combined with the adverb out to create the phrasal verb watch out. This means that you need to be careful or cautious about something, usually because it's dangerous or risky.
I don't pass out in other people's doorways.
Oh, I'm about to pass out.
Try not to pass out from excitement.
Yeah, and then I'd have to finish reading because Mom would pass out.
Pass out. To lose consciousness. For example, the man passed out from heat exhaustion at the beach. The verb pass is combined with the adverb out to create the phrasal verb pass out. This means that you lose consciousness, usually because of an injury, illness, or excessive stress.
Don't give up on me now, Dean.
Give up the stone, and she lives.
I will not give up on this child yet.
Nor would he have you give up hope.
Only an idiot would be foolish enough to give up an apprenticeship in Norway to be unemployed in America.
Give up. To stop trying or quit doing something. For example, I decided to give up smoking after realizing the health benefits. The verb give is combined with the adverb ap to create the phrasal verb give up. This means that you stop trying or quit doing something, usually because it's difficult, challenging, or no longer necessary.
And not a long history of sales to bank on.
Bank on it. Died a lingering death years ago.
I'll be back. Bank on it.
Bank on it, sweet cakes.
Bank on, to depend or rely on something. For example, I'm banking on you to help me with the project. The verb bank is combined with the preposition on to create the phrasal verb bank on. This means that you are depending or relying on something or someone, usually for support or assistance.
Did you chicken out or something?
Hey, I didn't chicken out.
I knew you'd chicken out.
Now, if Trevor and Archie were in on this, do you think they'd chicken out?
You gonna change your mind? Chicken out, not show?
Chicken out, to back out of something because of fear or cowardice. For example, I was going to skydive, but I chickened out at the last minute. The verb chicken is combined with the adverb out to create the phrasal verb chicken out. This means that you back out of doing something, usually because you are afraid to do it.
Don't buy wigs that come off at the wrong time.
The wraps come off tomorrow.
We tried to get it off. It wouldn't come off.
You just come off the line.
Oh, maybe for once it'd be nice to meet a guy and not come off as some rich bimbo.
Come off, to be successful or appear successful. For example, the party came off really well and everyone had a great time. The verb come is combined with the adverb off to create the phrasal verb come off. This means that something is successful or appears successful, usually referring to an event or activity.
If I tell on you, you'll be in big trouble. And I don't think you want that.
I'll tell on you.
Now let's see. If I tell on you, I walk.
When I fall asleep, one of the others keeps trying to reach the doctor lady to tell on us.
You're not going to tell on me, are you?
Tell on, to inform someone in authority about something wrong. For example, the little boy told on his brother for breaking the vase. The verb tell is combined with the preposition on to create the phrasal verb tell on. This means that you inform someone in authority about something wrong, usually referring to misbehavior or wrongdoing. And there you have it, 10 of the most common English phrasal verbs to help you speak English fluently. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And remember to practice these verbs as much as you can. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel iLearn English for more tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you master the English language. And until next time, happy learning.